Dairu, KTN, Nairobi.
Senators have opted for plenary trial in Isiolo Governor Abdi Guyo's impeachment case. This after senators opposed a motion to establish a special committee of 11 members to investigate the proposed removal from office. Now, during a special sitting convened by Senate Speaker Amason Kingi, the motion moved by Kakamega Senator Boni Khalwale lacked a seconder, forcing the Speaker to withdraw the motion. Grace Nganga has more details.
Embattled Governor Abdi Ibrahim Hassan Guyo will next week Wednesday know whether he will join the list of axed governors or save his lucrative position when he appears before senators.
Senate shall then investigate the matter in plenary on Tuesday the 8th of July and Wednesday the 9th of July 2025.
This is after senators rejected a motion to form a committee to hear the charges against him and opted to proceed with a full hearing in plenary, during which the governor will be required to personally appear or be represented by his counsel.
The motion having been negatived, the route of special committee is abandoned, and that implies that the Senate will investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the governor of Isiolo County, in plenary.
This is after the motion to constitute an 11-member committee sponsored by Kakamega Senator Boni Khalwale lacked a seconder.
Members, you are either choosing that we form a committee or we go to plenary. I want to appeal to you to weigh on this very important issue, because the country has a lot of confidence in us. They should see that we have given the governor of Isiolo the best opportunity to be heard.
Muhimu ya kwamba bunge lote la seneti lipewe nafasi ya kukaa na kujadiliana na kuamua ni njia gani ambao wataifuata. Kwa hivyo mimi napinga hoja hii.
Motion was not seconded, and it is therefore pursuant to Standing Order 70 of the Senate Standing Orders deemed to have been withdrawn.
The senators have opted to go on with the trial despite a court order barring the county assembly from proceeding with his ouster. High Court Judge Justice Heston Nyaga found the county assembly speaker Mohamed Roba in contempt of court and declared the impeachment null and void. Sericho MCA Abubakar Godana, who sponsored the impeachment motion, accused him of gross violation of the Constitution and other laws and gross misconduct. Governor Abdi Guyo last week dismissed his impeachment as unprocedural, terming the procedure flawed and politically motivated. The senators will be tasked with hearing the case by the county assembly to ascertain the threshold of the allegations and vote on whether to uphold the impeachment or not. Grace Nganga, KTN.